Hi all, it's Marshall. As we discussed, we're kind of interested in using the project functionality in our Summit group to manage the work of the leadership teams throughout 2014. So I figured I would put together a quick video on some of the highlights of that. You'll notice we're in the Summit group. Projects are per group. Um, and I have already created one here. You can scroll down and see I've created a projects widget and an agenda activists project for us to work in. So we click on that, it takes you to the project page. The important part, if you're part of a leadership team and you are using a project, is to follow it. The projects are open to anybody that's in our group. So if you want to get updates and fully participate, you'll want to click the follow button. You'll see I'm the group owner, so I'm already following. But you'll see a follow plus button here for you to follow it. It looks just like a group page. It's got widgets. It's got actions and different features. You can manage those via the manage button. If you're the group owner, you'll have this, and you can. It's just like editing a group page. You can add widgets, you can move things around, you can edit these. I would suggest if your team is using a project that somebody on the team create the project so that you have access to customize it. Otherwise, I'm happy to set up projects. You'll just have to go through me for any customizations. So if we scroll down to the actions box, you'll notice they're pretty similar to anywhere else. There are two key additions though, the task and the checkpoint. So in kind of project planning terms, a checkpoint's like a high level piece that individual tasks roll up into. A checkpoint is something for the entire team. A task is for an individual. If we want to create a checkpoint, we simply just click create checkpoint, give it a name, monthly analytics, and a description. We'll call it a stats review. The due date is when we'll hit that checkpoint. We'll put this at the end of the month. Click add, and you can see now there are two checkpoints. If I mouse over them, I created one earlier. It shows what they are. Those are the checkpoints. So for each checkpoint, you're going to want to assign some tasks. So you click create a task. This one, you want to give it a name. We'll call this Google Analytics because this is about analytics. It's in this project space. The due date we'll say is next week. And here's the cool part. We can assign this to anybody in the group. So I want to assign this. I know Deb is a agenda activist, so we're going to assign that to her. You'll notice there was a long list of people. That's only because I have admin rights. If you're assigning, you will only be able to assign to people in the group. I'll give it a description. And then add that task. We'll see now here, there's a task here under the tasks widget. It's on the calendar as a task. You can mouse over it, see who it's given to and what it is called. As you complete tasks and checkpoints, your status will update. That'll allow you to make sure you're hitting your benchmarks. Like with any other page, recent activity feeds here. You can upload files. You can talk via discussions. You can do blogs, polls, etc. It's really pretty simple to use and makes checking your progress and working together pretty easy. So that's that. Again, if you'd like this, let me know and we can talk about getting them set up. Thanks.